No Sweat Summer isn't just for dinners. We can make breakfast too. Clearly I'm getting ready for bed. Glasses, no makeup. We're gonna do some steel cut banana blueberry oats in the slow cooker. So we wake up tomorrow morning with a delicious breakfast. Let's get going. Slow cooker. First, we're gonna give our liner a little spritz with like some type of non-stick cooking spray. I'm gonna add in 2 cups of steel cut oats. You really need to use steel cut because regular oats just won't hold up in a slow cooker, at least for this particular recipe. Also, this makes a lot, so this is a good like meal prep recipe. 2 cups of some type of milk alternative. I'm using coconut milk. You could use almond milk, whatever you have. And then 6 cups of water. 2, 4, 6. 3 mashed bananas. Around 1.5 cups of blueberries. They could be frozen if you have frozen. I'm just using fresh because that's what I have. Around 1/4 to 1/2 cup of maple syrup. This is local maple syrup from our neighbors. Cinnamon. Vanilla. That was a large splash. That'll do. A little bit of flaky sea salt. Give this a good stir. I'll show you what it looks like. It doesn't look like much now because the cinnamon just kind of is on the top, but that's what it looks like. I'm gonna plug this in, obviously. All right, I'm gonna delay this a little bit, and I am very comfortable with that because everything I put in here was room temperature. I'm gonna delay it for a little bit and then put it on low for 5 hours. It'll kick over to warm and we will have a lovely breakfast for the morning. So good night, and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, we're getting ready to go to work. I'm gonna stir up my steel cut oats and we'll give it a look. You can also add all kinds of toppings. You can add milk, you can add more sliced bananas, you can add a little bit more brown sugar, whatever you want to kind of jazz them up. Remember, this makes a lot, okay? Looks good. Cans. Take a little test, but I'm gonna bring the rest to work. These are good. Definitely make these if you want to no sweat summer.